Ers Iratay.
Oh, sabihin mo, spiker sana eh. But, you know, at this point, when you have setters like Ers Iratay in front, you actually have to watch out for her.
I know, and Ers Iratay, one of those veteran setters who have won a lot of a former member of the
FEU,
national team
yes.
and the FEU Lady Tamaraws as well.
And it was during their time when they would sweep, you know, yung UAAP. Very strong
At that
lineup.
time, there was still that sweep.
There was.
Pag na-sweep mo, wala ng finals, right?
Yep.
So
she was part of that
she's
lineup.
She's a member of that strong FEU dynasty for the FEU Lady Tamaraws.
Excellent dig by Valdez.
Good off speed from Ella. They go to Michelle again. Off the block. Easy target. Itong si Tan for Carolino. She knows that she's gonna have an easier time if she
targets down the line.
With Tan as her blocker. Good reception from Alisa. Ooh, strong hit from Ella. Uy, pinalo agad ni Michelle.
Bunag from the middle.
Read very well by Joan. Binalik agad ni Joan. Read very well by the blockers. Carolino! Longest rally of the match so far. Ganda naman ng palitan.
Look at the sipag, dinadaan sa sipag ng Ateneo. You can see.
Ganda ng set. That's a good set.
Oh, look at the defense.
Lifting.
Lifting violation called. Yan din yung makikita mo, no? Basta maging matyaga ka lang. Just be patient. And in long rallies like that, it has actually paid off for Ateneo.
Alright, Alisa's trying to ask our technical table who is the proper server. Because you can do that.
Yes.
Remember, di ba minsan may nakikita tayong wrong server?
May kakamali, point na agad yun sa kalaban.
Actually, pwede mo itanong.
Oh, if nagkakagulo kayo.
Smart play from Alisa.
Oh, Tan, unable to get to that ball.
13-8. Shakey's, if it's fun, family pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. And again, for our viewers, it's really much better if you can drop by and watch the games live. We are at the Ninoy Aquino Stadium. Our game days are every Tuesdays, Fridays, and Sundays. We start our games at 2 o'clock and we have a 3-game lineup each game day. So, sulit na sulit yung inyong pagpunta. A lot of ways you can go over here at the Ninoy Aquino. You've got the LRT, you've got the jeep, you've got the pedicab even, and
yeah,
the buses.
There are many ways to get here.
And when you do get here, please look for the Shakey's booth right away because you can get to purchase those limited edition Shakey's volleyballs for only 299 pesos. And don't forget your sign pens or your pentel pens so you can have your favorite players sign those Shakey's volleyballs for you. 14-9, the Philippine Army still with the lead. Michelle with a good serve to Ella.
Poor reception from Ateneo.
Jack Alarca.
That was a clean shot from Alarca. Great target as well.
Well, she's known for that. Maganda kay Jack, nasa taas na yung kamay eh.
At saka na last minute decision. She can actually decide pagkatapos ng tumalon where she wants to bring the ball.
That's a violation. Ers Iratay baited Gretchen Ho to sneak in her hand, and she gets called for that overreach. 16-9, Philippine Army with the lead.